As a busy mom, cooking fresh meals can every day can feel like a full-time job. Between work, school runs, and everything else, there's just not enough time. Is it only the time, the stress, the tiredness, the worries of what you are going to be cooking for the family, juggling everything together, my friend, is just not easy. And that is why I have started meal prepping. And since I've started this, oh la la, it has been a whole lot of benefit for me and my family, most especially for me as the mom cooking the meals. I have started this to make sure that my family eat healthy, home cooked food without daily rush, without any worry. And my friend, in this video, I'll show you how I plan and prepare a full week of family meals step by step. We'll talk about how I organize my full timetable, prep the ingredients ahead, and save hours in the kitchen. This is part one, the planning and preparation stage, and I am going to be also be bringing out the part two of this video. And I feel like there's going to be part three also of this video that I'm going to be sharing because I have decided not to put everything at once, just to make sure that the video is not too long. So, my friend, without any stress, let's get started. Now, before we start, hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bose and this is Bose's Home Kitchen. In case you are new to this channel, you're very welcome. Please do well to share this video, comment, like, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, subscribe and watch out for more amazing video. Thank you so much. So let's continue. The first thing I do in fact, every Thursday, I have already started planning how the weekend is gonna go, everything I'm going to be cooking, and then checking the whole kitchen, the whole house, everything I'm going to be needing, just to make sure that the next week is is on point. I mean, so the first thing I do every weekend is plan my meals for the week. Yes, I check what I already have in the pantry and the fridge so I don't waste money buying duplicates. You get what I mean by that? Sometimes you have something in your home and you don't know. In our head, we are just calculating, oh, we need this, we need that, not knowing that we still have more, my friend. The best thing is to check the pantry. So if we have, for example, like plantain, why buying another plantain? That plantain you have can bring out even two meals. You know, that one will save you a lot of money and you won't get to, because plantain, if you are not careful, it can get spoiled so easily. The more it keeps, staying at home, the more the plantain get rotten and very soft. And when it is very soft, my friend, it's not really good anymore. As in, if you fry it, you won't really like it. Even if you like boil it, you won't even really like it. So now I'm talking for myself because I'm based in the UK, and Europe here, so many food that we are buying, like it does not even last. That's why we, preserve a lot in the freezer. So the best thing is to make sure that the meal you are cooking is what you are able, to cook immediately, and you know that you are preserving that for at least 1 week. Okay, so that is why I check the pantry and fridge. What do I have? What do I need to add to it? What do I need to remove from it? All these are very important, so I don't waste any money buying duplicates again. Okay, then I write down a simple timetable. I draw my timetable from Monday to Sunday. Draw it for morning, which is breakfast, afternoon, and nights. I also include the snacks because sometimes when my children are back, or even we might like, oh, we need apple or oranges, something like that. or some watermelon. So sometimes I just add some snack also. So that is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday to Sunday. Then we have breakfast, we have lunch, and we have dinner, and we also have snacks. Okay, so nothing fancy, just what works for our family schedule. So, my friend, I will stop here for now and the video continue in the next part. Bye.